Okay, we are on the way to the Waterfall, and I've just checked the ticket. Now we go down the waterfall. Today is not really crowded because it's weekdays, so tomorrow is weekend. Maybe it's will be more tourists come here to relax and, you know, stay away from hustle and bustle. Walk down the steps and you see waterfall is underneath both sides. There are hills and mountains, and then we will go to 5D effect glass bridge. This is exactly, this is a stream, you can see. Okay, we are on the way up the waterfall, and then we will go to Love Glass. We call it. It is 5D effect glass. Not really crowded today. There's some boats there, but no tourists. Yeah, okay. The cost of ticket is 50,000 Vietnam dong to get to Waterfall. There's some no littering, no picking flowers. Some souvenirs, you can buy souvenirs here, hats and some traditional crafts. Handmade, all of them are handmade. Herbs. Yeah, what? Mushroom. Yeah. This is from the local. Okay, go down. The weather today is pretty hot, sunny, and no rain, because this place is near Laos, so the weather is affected from the Laos weather. It's pretty hot. Oh, on the far side you can see waterfall, and next to it is the glass bridge, 5D effect glass bridge. The local called it Love Bridge. Whenever you go there whenever you go there, you will have your friend. Maybe we call it Love Bridge. Yeah. Yeah. There is Waterfall, and down here is a stream, not a river. So down here we have to buy tickets. Ticket? No? Okay. Yeah. Oh, a lot of shirts. And this traditional shirt. This is the yes. There, the waterfall. How can we get there? Okay, go up there this way. This way maybe. We'll go up the glass bridge right now, and we're going up. Do you think it's this way? This way? This way up? Yes. Okay.